Hello, good morning, students. Class 9th. We are just revising now question answers. Actually, this story is over, but I received some feedback from the students that we should discuss questions and answers, uh, and along with that, extract also, because in the new sample question paper and the old, there were extract also from the prose and the poetry. So in the beginning of this uh, video you will find that three extracts along with the answers. So read the extract, then read the questions on the basis of the extract, and the answers are also provided to you. Okay, students. So students, let's move on to the extracts on the basis of this chapter, The Little Girl. Number 1. In the evening when he came home, he she stood near the suitcase and heard his loud voice in the hall. Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Mother, go and see if my paper's out there and bring me my slippers. So this is the extract. Now the questions based on the extract. Number 1. What was his first essentiality after entering the room? Number 2, question number 2, when did he return his house? Question number 3, what do these lines show about the person mentioned above? So the answers of these three questions are given in the next slides, okay? After the all the three extracts. I am reading extract number 2. One day when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that her father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pincushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. Questions now. Number 1. What did she suggest Kezia? Number 2. What did Kejia's grandmother tell her? Number 3. Why did Kezia make a pin cushion? So make the correction there. Made is there. Make pin cushion. So answers you will get at the and in the next slides. Okay, I have already given answers there. Okay, children. Thank you very much. We'll go on to the next extract. Extract number 3. Oh, Abucha, a knife. I want, Granny. He blew out the candle, bent down and caught up the child in his arms, carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. A newspaper was on the bed. He put away the paper, then carefully tucked up the child. He lay down beside her, half asleep still, still with the butcher's smile all about her it seemed. She crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm, held tightly to his shirt. So this was the extract from the chapter. So the question based on this one, question number 1, what was uttered by the little girl? Number 2, how did he help the little girl? Question number 3, how did Kezia do then with the father? Okay, so the answers are here. Okay, answers. The little girl uttered a butcher, a knife. She was fearful and demanded Granny. Answer 2. He caught up the child in his arms and took her in his room. And number 3. Answer. Kezia put her head under his arm and held his shirt tightly. So these were the answers. Okay, we are moving on to the questions based on the textbook given in the given at the end of the textbook. Given below are some emotions that Kezia felt. Match the emotions in column A with the items in column B. So children, answers are also provided. Fear or terror. Okay, you can see that the what were the sentences given here. In the same way, glad. Number 2, glad, sense of relief. Okay, answers are also given here. Number 2 and 6. And in the first answer 1, 3, and 4. Third sentence, where in the column A, a funny feeling perhaps of understanding. A funny feeling perhaps of understanding. You can see going to bed when alone at home. Okay. And seventh also, father stretch out on the sofa. So okay. Now the most important, because this was demanded by some students, that sir give questions and the answers which are given in the textbook. So answer the following questions in one or two sentences. This may come for 2 marks. Okay, children. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Kezia was afraid of her father because she was big and hefty with his hands and neck, especially he was big and hefty with his hands and neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. He was also very rude. Okay. Question number 2. Who were the people in Kezia's family? There were 5 members in Kezia's family: the father of Kezia, his wife, daughter, grandmother, and cook Alice. Question number 3. What was Kezia's father's routine? So number 1, before going to his office. So before going to his office, he came into Kezia's room and gave her a casual goodbye kiss. After coming back from his office, he would have his boots taken off. He demanded his tea, slippers, and paper. Number 3, on Sundays, he stretched on the sofa, covered his face with a handkerchief, and went to sleep. Okay. Question number 4. In what ways did Kejia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Kejia's grandmother encouraged her by sending her down to the drawing room to have a nice chat with her mother and father on Sunday afternoon. Okay, now we are moving on to the little bigger two or three paragraphs or the sentences. Discuss these questions in class with your teacher, then write down your answers in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Okay, this may come for 3 marks to 5 marks. Number 1. Kezia's effort to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Kezia tried to please her father by going to him after he returned to home to take care of her father's boots, but she ended up irritating her father by shuddering while she spoke. Also, when Grandma told Kezia that it was her father's birthday next week, she decided to surprise him with a nice present. She laboriously stitched 3 sides of a yellow silk cloth to make him a pin cushion. Unknowingly, she stuffed the cushion with her father's great speech. This infuriated her father even more, and she got a beating with the ruler. So this type of answer you have to write down. Question number 2. In the longer answer question, Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald, and how was he different from Kezia's father? So here is the answer. Mr. MacDonald was a gentle and loving father who spent quality time with his children. Kezia had seen him play tag with his 5 young children. The father had the baby Mao on his shoulders. 2 girls hanging onto his coat pockets ran around the flower beds, shaking with laughter. All of them laughed the whole time. It was then she decided that there were different types of fathers. Keja's father was very different from Mr. MacDonald. Her was father Her father was very strict and firm. He wanted Kezia to be able to make correct decisions and often taught her lessons. His ways were harsh, but he loved and cared for his daughter very much. He worked very hard so as to become successful and to be able to fulfill his family's needs, and was too tired to play with Kezia like MacDonald played with his children. So this was the second answer, children. So the question number 3, how does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? Okay, answer is okay. Kezia had a horrible nightmare. She was awakened. She was awakened to see her father her bedside. She carried her to his room and tucked her into his bed. He also asked her to rub her feet against his foot to keep them warm. Her father was very tired and fell asleep before Kezia did. This was when Kezia this was when Kezia realized that he too was a human, even though he he was a big like a giant, had no one to look after him. He also needed some sympathy and love. Finally, Kezia realized that her father had a huge heart and loved her very much and worked hard for her. Okay, so children, all these questions you need to complete in your classwork. So these are very important. So thinking about the language at the end of this video is to know about language. Okay, very well. Look at the following sentence. There was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter. Here glad means happy about something. Glad, happy, pleased, delighted, thrilled and overjoyed are synonyms, means the same meaning. Words or expressions that have the same or nearly the same meanings. Okay, however, they express happiness in certain ways. Okay, read the sentences below. She was glad when the meeting was over. The chief guest was pleased to announce the name of the winner. So these words are used in the sentence at the end of this video. So language, in order to improve the language, you need to just go through the dictionary and find out the synonyms for one word. So there will be many synonyms for the same meaning. Okay, children, thank you for watching, and we will be taking again question answers in the tomorrow also and day after also, and then we will be just doing again sample question paper solving in the next videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.